Cavite.
Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Maria Rona Macy Buda, First Class, Bansa Cavite.
Headed by Captain Alpha Company Commander, Cadet Captain Ian Charles and Ben, Second Class, Indang Cavite with the scout.
Cadet Private Justin James Lustuna.
Cadet Private Ray Gabriel C. Arubio.
Sumahagdan.
Alpha Company First Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant.
Pantay, pantay nyo, pantay. Pantay nyo, yan.
Third Class.
Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant, Third Class, Sam Ashton Pagsigikan.
Walay men.
May I request everyone to please rise for the passing of colors, led by the color commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Ray S. Vega, First Class, Jesse Martin City, Cavite. Bravo Company Commander, Cadet Captain Belly Angel Billy Bucas, Second Class, Tansa, Cavite with her staff.
Cadet Private Roel Gerald.
Full step, full step, full step.
Cadet
Full step
Private
kayo.
Austin Manuel D. Erino.
Bravo Company First Platoon Leader, Cadet
Nakakalimutan mo, stop yan.
kasama, Third Class.
Second Platoon Leaders, Cadet Lieutenant, Second Lieutenant, First Class, Fourth Class.
Doon ako dati, sabay puti.